Hello friends, welcome to our channel Miracle Swing Trades. Today we have come up with a idea share that we are going to discuss in this video today. I'm showing you here on my screen the Miracle Strategy software that we use to take the references for any share in the live market. So you can see here idea is closed at 13 rupees 30 paisa today. What this software all about is I have told in my previous video as well. You can go and refer my previous video if you want to know about the using of this software. What we use here is we have a 1 hour candle chart that we use here. We have other options available as well. 30 minutes candles chart available, 15-minute candle chart available, 5-minute candle chart available. But the ideal one that we use here is 1 hour candle chart. 1 hour candle chart gives us some stable preferences for entry and buy entry and sell entries. So very important to have a right entry in the live market, because then only you can make some money. Otherwise, wrong entry can always give you a big loss. This is for trading purpose. This is for learning purpose. So we suggest you should learn how the software is usable. If anybody needs any demo, can contact us through comments. We'll be happy to give you the demo as well. So let's go through where is it right now and what is it all about. So here we know that these are the trend bars that we are seeing here. Out of these three, we refer the top one, this one. This white line, red line, this is the trend bar that we refer for taking any trade reference. This is the very first trend bar that is used for our reference purpose. The second thing that we use is average moving average. So this yellow line indicates the moving average line. This is the most powerful moving average line that we check here while taking any trade references, because this is a 55-day moving average, and this is very useful when we take any reference for buy or sell entry. So let me show you where idea was and where we will get the sell entry in this particular stock. If you can see this green indicator, this entry signal, these are the candlestick patterns, and herein I have zoomed in to show you this green entry bar. This green entry came at this pricing level. You can see the low price was 1170 when it came. So at that same time we can check the white trend bar is there and uptrend it is showing, and similarly we can see this entry has come, and since then the rates have been going up and up and up. Though there was a sell entry, but this sell entry is not advisable to go with because the trend bar is showing white. As I have told in my previous videos as well, when we are going to take a buy entry, we need to refer the trend bar. The trend bar should be white, then we don't take a sell entry. That can be a trap for those buyers or sellers. So we don't take a sell entry when the trend bar is white. So here in this case, it is clearly seen. We are seeing a green entry here, and the pricing that we see here is 11 rupees 73 paisa is the bottom when the sell entry has come at 11 rupees 60 paisa. So after this, whoever has taken the entry here, you can see the same day the pricing went to 12 rupees 16 paisa. It's a small cost here, so 20-30 paisa means a lot, 2 to 3% in this type of shares. Now if I show you when this buy signal came in the previous weeks, you can see. So this is the chart that we are seeing. This is a 1 hour chart. The buy entry came here when it was below the moving average line. The ideal entry becomes when it is above the moving average line. So here in this case, you can see clearly that the trend bar is right. Trend bar is red. We are not going to take a buy entry in this condition. Whenever there is a white trend bar, you see this. And whenever there is a green entry, and whenever we see the candle crosses the moving average, this, then only we can target to take a buy entry. So in this condition, here is an entry that has come, but the trend bar is right, so we will wait for some more time to take the entry. This time frame is nearly 23rd December. On 23rd December, the trend bar has changed to white, and this is the time zone. This is the time frame when we could see this pricing, and when it is crossing this yellow moving average line. You can see, friends, the value at that time was 9 rupees 87 paisa, and here is the entry signal. We can see the entry has come on 22nd at 9 rupees 8 paisa, but we take the trade at 9 rupees somewhere 80 to 90 paisa. When we see that the trend bar has been changed to white and the moving candle has crossed the moving average line. Herein you can see the stock started moving, and the same day it went to 10 rupees 68 paisa. 10, right? So here is the 10 rupees 68 paisa that it reached, and the same time we got a sell entry after reaching this high. But this sell entry is not valid when the trend bar is white and is also above the moving average line. So we don't take here a sell entry. So guys, you can see after this entry has come, since then how much rally this stock has given starting 24th December, or you can see 23rd December. Since then this has been moving high and high and high, and from there till now it has come near to, today it is closed at 13 rupees 30 paisa, but it has not come down since then. When, if you remember, Bank Nifty has come down in past days, Nifty has come down in past days. Idea stock also came down, but it touched the moving average line, and again it started going upside. So this is the miracle of this miracle strategy. It gives you a fair idea, it gives you a fair reference where a stock is going in the upcoming days. But guys, this is for your own reference. You can refer your other tactics, methodologies. Before taking any trade, you can consult your financial advisors. We are showing you this miracle strategy software for your reference and help, because this gives you confidence to know where the stock is going to be in the future. So here we can see it's still showing a strong move since 23rd December, and now from there it has rallied almost 30%, from 10 rupees to more than 13 rupees. It is more than a 30% jump from there. I hope you are able to get this clear idea what it means to us. This software is a real miraculous strategy that helps to take any trades comfortably, learn them, reference them, and make your decisions before making any wrong entries. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video, you had some learning through this video. If you have any suggestions, comments, please let us know. Please comment and please ask anything if you want. And please ensure your money is yours. Please keep it safe. Don't take wrong entries. Take any good learning, take any good reference, and then only go live in the market. So happy trading to all of you guys. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe us. Please let us know. Please share with your friends, and do subscribe, like, and comment on the videos. Thank you for your support, guys. All the best.